Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make a delicious spinach cheese dip. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 10 ounces of frozen spinach, thawed and squeezed dry. Make sure to get rid of all that excess water. Also, have 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, 1/2 cup of sour cream, and 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese ready. Don't forget 1/4 cup of milk, a minced garlic clove, and 1/4 cup of chopped onion. These fresh ingredients will make all the difference. Now that you have all your ingredients, let's start cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a medium skillet over medium heat. Once the oil is shimmering, add your chopped onion and minced garlic. Sauté these aromatics for about 3 to 5 minutes, or until the onion becomes translucent and smells wonderful. This simple step is crucial for building a deep, savory flavor profile for your spinach cheese dip, so don't rush it. It's the foundation of a great dip. With your aromatics ready, it's time to bring everything together. Add the softened cream cheese, sour cream, and milk to the skillet. Stir continuously over medium heat until the cream cheese is completely melted and the mixture is smooth and creamy. Next, fold in your well-drained spinach and the grated Parmesan cheese. Continue to cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring frequently, until the dip is thoroughly heated through and bubbling gently. This creates that irresistible texture. Your delicious spinach cheese dip is now ready. Carefully transfer the hot dip to a serving bowl. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with a little more grated Parmesan cheese or a dash of paprika for color. Serve it immediately with your favorite dippers like tortilla chips, sturdy crackers, or fresh vegetable sticks. It's perfect for parties or a cozy night in. Also, for those looking to simplify their kitchen routine, check out the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy every creamy bite.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.